Hello viewers, today I will show you how to bind with Binance and earn money daily from the Royalq. Royalq is the Binance bot software which you can get daily income by auto trading. You can set up auto trading here or connect it with any circle. They will trade you coin and you will get earned daily without any work. So let's see my earn, how much I earn daily. This is my earning balance which I get daily income. You can see that 2.43 my daily income. It's a simple amount invested like $1,100. I got $2.43 daily. If you invest more than $1,000, then your income will be $10 to $20 per day without any work or anything. This is my Binance report from the Royalq. Royalq is my favorite software. Here you can see my coin which I transacted here, which I can get here, which I connected here, the Binance coin. You can see that actually this coin I am not selected. It is selected from the my circle which I connected with the some circle. They are trading my coin and give me daily profits from the Binance. This is the circle. This is quantitative where you can get all the coin and see the coin. This is news, your daily news, which what you are earning and what will be. This all the news here. There are more options here a lots of things, like you can get referral per referral 30 USDT per referral, and API binding here. You can see API binding with Binance and assets. Assets means what you have balance in your USD in your Binance. This is all assets. You can withdraw from the Binance. You can withdraw from here to the Binance. And if you see, if you invite friends, and you will get 30 USDT per referral. So join with my referral link. The description you will get my referral link and join. I'll support you. What you have to do, how can you earn, all you have to do, I will support. Please join with my description link. You will get all types of support from me if you join with my description link. My link I will give you the link in the description. Please join and I will give you all the support and what you need, and you will get daily income like me. So